Cata-Kor NAD plus supplements are all over my social media feed. So let's take a look at this supplement and the company and give you some insights on it. So if I begin by looking at the Cata-Kor store that's on Amazon, this is the official store, and they're promoting a product called NAD Advanced. If I take a look at it, here's the supplement facts label. 2 capsules contain 500 milligrams of liposomal NAD plus, and they are also telling us that greater than 50% of that is beta nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and also 2 capsules also contains 50 milligrams of resveratrol. Resveratrol is the active form of resveratrol that's found in red grapes and peanuts and other things. Let's contrast that with the product that I've seen on TikTok called NAD Core. If I look at that product, I can see that it is also liposomal NAD, and greater than 50% of it is beta nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, but 2 capsules only contains 250 milligrams of NAD. Doesn't appear to have any resveratrol. It's simply the NAD supplement. What you're getting on Amazon is a little bit more of the liposomal NAD, that's the advanced form, than the core NAD that you see advertised on TikTok. I'm probably going to get banned from TikTok for saying this, but that's what I am seeing. Now, if I just click over to the ratings, I can see it's got 4.3 out of 5 stars. 70% of these are 5-star ratings. It does have some 1-star reviews and 2- and 3-star reviews. I would say take a look at them. One of the reviews that I saw, and I'll post this so you can see it, one person had said that she felt really bad in the middle of the night when she took this stuff, and she thought she might actually have to go to the hospital. And so be cautious of this. Start with less of this stuff or any supplement that you're thinking of taking, just to minimize any potential side effects that you might see. Also, some people are complaining that the product that they received on Amazon did not have a safety seal. If you order it anywhere, whether it's TikTok, Amazon, or elsewhere, it does not have a safety seal. I would not use it. Also, some people on Amazon are also saying that the formula has changed, and I'll throw some pictures up so you can take a look at how the formula appears to have changed. I can't comment on that. One of the things I like is they are telling us about a certificate of analysis that is third-party tested. I like the fact that I can see a certificate of analysis here. I see it's dated. I see it's signed. What I do notice here is the address, and I'm not sure if this is the address of the company that did it, but it says 1209 Orange Street, Wilmington, Delaware. If I switch over and I look at that address, it does tell me that this is the Corporation Trust Center, which apparently serves as the registered address for over 285,000 American and foreign businesses as of 2012. Take that as what it is, but there is a certificate of analysis. I do think that's a good thing. I also want to jump over to the Cata-Kor website itself, which is cata-kors.com. Interesting, it has an S on the name of it, where the actual name of the company does not have an S. They do mention here advanced NAD plus. Okay, so this is the same product that we have here. If I shop now for this product, and I can see that it is the same product. Again, it's got liposomal NAD 500 milligrams and resveratrol 50 milligrams. That's interesting as well. The other thing I wanted to point out though is that if I click over to the Contact Us page of the Cata-Kor website, there is a email address that you can reach out to them, where you can fill out this form here, contact@catakor.cn. CN is a reference to China, so this is a China email address, it appears to be to me. Also, the other thing I wanted to throw out to you is, when did this website get registered? When was it registered? The Cata-Kor website was registered March 11th, 2025. And as I'm talking to you right now, it is March 28th, 2025. So it looks like it went up just a couple of weeks ago. I also want to click over to the Reus Research website. Reus Research is said to be the company behind the NAD core supplements that I've seen on social media. And if I go there, they are promoting not NAD, but actually nicotinamide riboside and resveratrol. This is a completely different supplement. Nicotinamide riboside is a form of niacin. It's been around a number of years, and there are several clinical trials on nicotinamide riboside showing it will raise NAD in humans. I've done several videos on it, both on TikTok and on YouTube as well, so you can check them out to see that research for yourself. If I go to the contact page of Reus Research, I see Reus Research. I have a phone number, not sure what area code that is, but there is again what looks to be a China-based email address. Take that for what it is. But there's also a physical address as well, which is based in Flushing, New York. Now, I'm not going to out anybody, but I did look this address up, and it goes to somebody's house. I also want to show you when this website was registered. The Reus Research website was registered February 20th of 2025. Again, as I'm talking to you right now, it is March 28th, 2025. So again, a fairly new website that has gone up. So that's what I discovered about Cata-Kor NAD supplements. Take that for what it is. What do you think of all this?